focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tommy James, in case you're new here, and if you're not new, thank you so much for coming back to my channel today. So guys, in today's video we're making a deep parts Ghana weaving. All right, in case you do not know, in case you're new here, I already made a video on how I made this closure. It is on my channel already. You want to go and check that out. It's a very detailed video you want to watch. All right, so guys, this video is basically just showing you how I made this Ghana weaving. All right, because of the way I already made the closure, it is easy for me to just braid. All right, so what I'm going to do now is just pick the attachments, divide the attachments I need, all right, and just braid. I would so much love that you really watch because it's really self-explanatory. All right, so I'm just going to ensure that the lines are very clear. I am not picking any other strand of hair from the other closure, so I'm just going to braid these into a place so it's not in my way at all. All right, so I'm just going to moisturize this strand and then braid.
Around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise. I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first.
Depending on how long your Ghana weaving is, you can actually take like 5, 7, but here I used 6 strands. I picked 6 hair. I divided it into 6. I hope you understand. And I'm just going to braid. Depending on how long what your braiding is, that is what is going to determine the number of hair you're going to pick. All right, so the first thing I do is some people will prefer to braid a little before going into it, but I prefer to go, I'm comfortable going in first with my attachment and then leaving a little brush at the edge of it. All right, it all brings out same results. Okay, so I'm just going to braid and I'm going to be holding my grip. I'm going to be picking the attachment. One thing you should ensure is that the attachments are of equal size. All right, so you don't want it bumpy and all of that, because this is a braid wig. You want it to be as flat as possible. So I'm just going to keep on adding the attachment until I am done with it. All right, guys, while braiding you want to really hold your grip. You really want to hold your grip. You want to hold that hair. You want to be sure that you're braiding it, that it's in your hands and you can feel it, because if you do not hold your grip, at the end of the day you just realize that you've not been braiding with the closure. You've not been braiding with it. All right, so you want to hold your grip and ensure that you're braiding. You want to be very sure, and so everything is secured. You want to really be sure. All right, so guys, what I did notice is there is a lot of space at the back. Firstly, this is due to how I ventilated the back. So if you're ventilating yours, you want to make it really closer. All right, what I did is I actually went to unravel the whole hair. And first of all, I braided them closer because of course definitely I cannot ventilate again, so I braided it very closer. What I noticed, if you are braiding hair and you're actually going to one side, the braid might tend to be following that side. So what I did is make them again and braid them really closer, all right. And then I covered my tracks with my braid, all right. You're going to see that after now. So I just wanted to show you another clip of me braiding this Ghana weaving, all right. You can see how natural this closure look. You want to go and watch, guys. It's very detailed, I promise you. Guys, I know I do not say this a whole lot of time, but please, I am so grateful for all the subscribers. I am so grateful for all the likes. And so guys, I would like that you all make comments. I want to hear what you think. I want to really talk to you, please. I would want us to always communicate. If you have corrections, if you have ideas, I am really open to it. Please communicate with me. I would like to read your comments and also reply you. Like, I would so much like that. I would really want us to do that, because I know that there is an amazing person watching this right now, and I would just love to talk to you. Please always please make a comment, all right. I'm so grateful for all the followers, for all the subscribers, likes. I'm so thankful for it. God bless you, all right. So guys, I'm just repeating the same process here, all right. Just braiding and making sure that I hold my grip very well, and so I can get the best result. I want it as flat as possible, guys. Do not forget that all your attachments that you're picking must be the same size, all right, because you don't want it to bump you. So guys, I'm done with the whole braid, all right, and the next thing to do is to braid the back. Like I mentioned earlier, you can see that the back is closely braided now. There is no space. I braided them again and then covered my track with some braid at the back, all right. That's just what I did. You can do that in case you have that same issue, all right. So the next thing to do is to braid this back. It is very important, whatever braid wig you are making, always ensure to braid that back closer than the rest of the braids that you've made, all right. It is very important because that is most likely where people will see, and you don't want them seeing any net. It is very important to braid the back, closer than the rest of the braid you've made at the back, all right. That's immediate line after the closure of frontal. You want to braid it really closer, all right. So guys, our braid wig is ready. I didn't want to take you guys through the process of hot water trimming and all of that. I have a full detailed braid tutorial on my page already. Please kindly go and watch, all right. So I just did a normal routine for braid wigs and all of that. Plus I made this a blunt cut. I just went in with my scissors after I used hot water on it and just gave it that blunt cut. This is a new braid wig collection to my braid wig. I'm going to leave my IG handle on the screen so you can order. It is named Wig Betty and it is going for a unbelievable amount of 10k, and it is another good news is that it is going to be 16k for the weekend, a launching price of 16k. So I'm going to ensure that this video comes up before the weekend, before Friday. Today is Wednesday, so you can have the opportunity to still place your order, all right. In case you do not know, I am an hair vendor based in Mowe, Ogun State, and I deliver best braid wigs and human hair blends, all of those things. All right, so guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until I see all of you amazing people in my next video, please stay safe. I love you. Bye.